Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour. This first order is going to be a McDonald's going about 3 miles.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. No tip on that one, as expected. They live like 5 minutes away from the restaurant. Total for that was $4. There's a high chance that I'll regret this one, but we've got an order going across the river. This is Denny's, $15 going 8 miles.
Right here, there you
Perfect,
go.
thank you.
Yep, have a good morning.
You too.
Okay.
All right, the drive here was okay. Pickup was okay. Now I just need a good drop off. Oh, this is going back into my zone, actually. Okay, this might be pretty good. That order should have taken me 15 minutes, but for some reason, the GPS took me off on the wrong exit. So that added like 5 minutes, but whatever. Still a good order. And we got the next one right away. Oh, this one is pretty bad, I'm gonna assume. We got a Subway going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that was $7 and change. Not very worth it. Got the next order right away though. This is, I can't see a thing. The sun is right in my eyes. This is Muchas Gracias going 5 miles. Total for that one was $8. Okay, better than the last one. We've got a McDonald's going 2.5 miles. Yeah, for 25.8. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $5. It was pretty quick. I can't really complain about that. And we got the next one right away. This is Starbucks going 2 miles. Thank you.
Of course, have a good one.
You too. Total for this order was $6 and change. Next up is a Seize the Bagel. This one's going about 4 miles. Thank you. Oh, nice. Total for that one was just under $10. Next up is a Mr. Maple Donuts going 2.5 miles.
So this one's gonna be separate price, okay? Yeah. Let's do one apple fritter.
Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $8. Pretty good. Had a decent tip on it. And next one's gonna be a Muchas Gracias going just under 7 miles. Hello. Had a pickup for Christopher. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that one was $12. Very nice. Got the next order pretty much right away. This is Kitchen Table Cafe going about 6 miles. Thank you.
Yes.
You got it. Total for that order was $9. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one is going about 5 miles. Thank you. Well, there was no service when I was dropping off there, and by the time I got it, I got the next order, so I have no idea how much I got paid for that last order, but I will throw it up on the screen for you guys whenever I actually see it. This is a stack going to the same person. This is Seize the Bagel and Starbucks going about 4 miles. Hello. Thank you. Total for that stack was $18 and change. Oh, wow. That was really good. Thank you very much. Finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 going 5 miles, 5 items. All right, I'm gonna start heading home because I am pretty much mentally checked out for the day. Current time is 9:42. Current total is 115, and just waiting on that last tip to come in. So that should bring it up to like 125. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.